I'm Yannis Ioannidis. I'm a professor of informatics and telecommunications at the University of Athens, also affiliated with the Athena Research Center. But also, right now, I'm the president of the Association for Computing Machinery, ACM. I'm also a member through Athena Research Center of the HumanE-AI-Net Project. And I've been called here to discuss from the perspective of ACM and also my own research on the impact of AI in education and also in research and society at large. I think this event is very vibrant and I'm glad that I was able to make it here and discuss how especially generative AI will impact researchers, will impact educators and students, and how we should change our ways so that whatever generative AI does, it's fair and global in nature and inclusive of everyone. Education plays a key role in moving forward, and everything else that I learned from this meeting, from the other colleagues that they brought in, their efforts on fairness, trustworthiness, a PhD level education of what it should be, has been extremely helpful for me and will inform any further steps that I do beyond that. Really glad to have been here, and I'll enjoy the rest of the event.